Welcome back. So, guys, as part of the session, let us see how exactly we can handle the date picker. See, if you look at this UI kit catalog application, there is a date picker one. Using this particular date picker, I just want to handle this data here. Okay, the name that it has provided out over there. There are two different syntaxes that were given by this documentation. So if at all you want to specify this format explicitly, you need to give this year, month, day format as this particular one. And the next one out over there is, there is a date formatter, which is a date string. So you just need to give it an input as in this particular format or an explicit format. Either of these cases, you just need to give it as an input so that, it will be selecting the date. And of course, as per that, the recommended format is this one. That's fine. Perfect. Now let's come back here. The test, let me create a new test and here handle date picker in UI kit catalog app using the method that I'm gonna use here is a set data picker. That's it. So I just pressed a tab operation. As and when I pressed a tab operation, if you observe right now, so it is stating that you just need to click on a data picker. So it should be picker. It is showing as a pickers. So I will be correcting that. And it is saying that the UI data picker wherein which you just need to set the data picker value. So just press a tab operation, change it to the data picker, and let me try to run this program and check it out how this is gonna work out. Okay, so we are on this screen, the script is getting failed, and if you look at this particular issue here, okay, if you look at this issue, so you need to close it. So I haven't closed this one. Okay, so I just closed it. And now let me launch my terminal and let me run my program and let me check it out what it's gonna happen. So it should select the date picker and it should handle that particular date. Okay, something got changed. So, I'm not 100% sure whether it got updated properly or not, but that's fine. The script executed successfully. Comment this particular line, copy this line and put it this line again. Come back to this syntaxes, whatever this formatter is there, copy this format and update this format here. And the date I'm changing it as 2025 12 25. So which means the year is a 25, month is a 12 and the day is gonna be the 25. Okay, so I just want to select 25th December 2025. So let us see whether the calendar it's being the date is being updated or not. See here 25th December 2025. So this is the way. So how exactly we can handle this particular data picker using a set data picker. So guys, if you clearly observe, we are not writing down any code from our end. We are using this Copilot feature and just pressing a tab operation. Automatically, my Copilot is generating the complete code for me. Okay, so my Copilot is generating the complete code for me. So even if you want to verify, the class name is gonna be UI the date picker, and directly you can perform these operations. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Bye bye.